Hi friends, welcome back to Creo tutorial. So in today video lecture we'll make this 3D model in the Creo parametric. So click on new, click on MMNS part solid, click on OK, select all. The next thing is we need to create this portion. For that click on sketch, click on the normal view. We will create this true circle of 21.44 and 42.88 line 21.44 42.88. Okay, good. Click on the line. Okay, good. The next thing is we will extrude it. From here up to here, the dimension is 146 minus 87.4. 146 minus 87.4. Okay, 58.6. Okay. Uh, the next thing is we need to cut here. So go in the delete segment, remove this unnecessary part. Click on OK. Click on the extrude. Extrude it from the middle. We will extrude it up to 47.6. Click on. Okay. Uh, the next thing is 57.6. So it is like this. Okay. So we need to create an a round here. Click on this, click on this, click on this. The round is red. Okay. The next thing is we need to cut an hole here. For that we require an axis. Click on the axis. Click on this part. Click on OK. So our axis is visibly completely here. The next thing is we need to create a hole of dia. The counterboard dia 35 and 35. For that click on the hole. Click on the drill. Click on the shape. Click on the counter board. The die is 35, 35 and 20, 35, 35, 25.4, and it is throw out. It is throw hole. It is throw hole. Okay. Click on this axis. Click on this axis. Okay. And click on this face. Click on OK. Click on the hole. Mirror. Select this plane. Click on OK. So it is hole at the both the side. Okay. The hole is created. The next thing is we need to create this portions. Click here. Click on the sketch. Click on the normal view. Two circle. The dia is 38 and 58.75. 38, 58.75. At the distance of 80, 87.4 from the center. 87.4 from the center. So it is completely ready. Click on the line. Make the line. Delete segment. Remove what is not required. Click on the extrude. Click on the reverse direction, and we will extrude it up to the 15.88. Click on OK. Okay. Again, sketch here. Click on the normal view. Click on the line. It is tangent with this. It is tangent with dimension 11 mm. Click on the arc. Okay. Again, click on the arc. Okay. Click on OK. Extrude it in the reverse direction. And the thickness is 6.25. Click on it. As you can see, our the part is almost completely ready. The next thing is we need to create a rib here, the profile rib, and it is simple. Go here, click on the profile rib, click on the normal view, line from here up to here. The distance is 12.7. 12.7. Click on OK in the reverse direction, and the thickness is according to you. Click on the suppose 5 mm. Click on it. The rib is already done. We will unhide this plane. Hide this plane. As you can see, our part is completely ready according to our needs. But here there is an error in the counter board. So we will edit it first. Edit it. Shape. And here our deep is 4.75. So we will edit it. 4.75. Now it is completely as per our needs. Okay. So we will go in the view appearance. Suppose it is a brass polish metal. Go here, click on the part, click here, click on active. Okay. Our part is according to our the brass part. We will go here, shading with the reflection. So it will reflect according to shade. Okay, guys, as you can see, it is completely nice. Thank you very much, guys. If you like this video, then please do subscribe and share. For more updates, thank you.